Hi there, it's Marvin from Project Wizards, and today I'd like to show you how you can embed formulas in your AsciiDoc files. And yeah, we're gonna do this at an example in AdOc Studio. Let's jump right in. So if you want to enable stem formulas, you simply need to enable the attribute first, which is stem with columns on each side. Give it a press, and you already have stem formulas enabled. Now the only thing that you need to do is either search for stem and get the completion from our adoc code, and here you can write an ASCII math expression. This is the standard. If you want to change the standard, you simply have to give a further information, a further value behind the attribute. Here you can decide whether you want to start with ASCII math, which is the one we have here, or if you want to use LaTeX math. It's a bit of a different syntax in the end, but there's documentation for both kinds of stem formulas, so it's basically based on your own preference. For now, we're going to use the LaTeX math, and you can see that once we do the same, we write formula, you can see that it now wants to complete with a LaTeX expression. So let's give it a standard one, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And you can immediately see that this formula is now rendered in the, at the moment, HTML preview. If you want to change it to PDF, you simply do that. And now you can see it's also rendering in the PDF format. So that's the standard way. Of course, there's also other types of stem formulas you can set, for example, directly in line. For this, you use this syntax and then write a squared plus, you know what, I'm lazy. Let's simply do this. And you can see now it's written in line. If I want to type some text before the formula and also some text after the formula. So here you can already see that the formula is basically rendered in line. It's perfectly on the same horizontal line as the rest of the text. So it looks beautifully, I say. Next up, we can also vary between the syntax. So for example, you want to start with an ASCII math expression, but then later on want to use a LaTeX math expression. You can combine them by using a different syntax, which is ASCII math. This is the one for the block. And there's also the same that we have for the inline. And the same goes, of course, also for LaTeX math. So there you have it. This is how you can set stem formulas in AdOc Studio.